Okay guys, this is a 2017 Cadillac Escalade Platinum Edition. 6.2 liter V8, all-wheel drive, rebuilt title, theft recovery. This thing has 29,000 miles, and it looks like it has 29,000 miles. Miles are actual. You can see this motor's super clean. No paint work on it, never been painted. See these wheels? You can see how they scratched out the VIN. They had to put a new plate on there. The seat looks like it only has 30,000 miles. Massage seats. So these come with a refrigerator in the Platinums. Suede roof. Does have the camera here. Obviously the sunroof. 29,269 on the miles. So heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise. Does have a heads-up display here. Power folding mirrors with blind spot monitors. They all work. Cooled seats, heated seats, massage seats, lane assist, park assist. 360 camera, smart key, remote start, wireless phone charging. There's your cooler inside. So all your power options. So this is where you turn on your massage seats here. Take a close look at that seat. Looks like it only has 29,000 miles. See these power running boards. It's got some good tires on there. So 3 DVD screens, 7 passenger. All your hookups for your DVD screens, rear heated seats, if you can see that. I don't really see any rust on this thing. That's pretty crazy for 2017. I do see that this has been painted. They put a cover, probably came off and they had to get a new cover on there. So power folding seats. There's a little dent here. I'm gonna get some PDR done on it. Got the all-weather floor mats, Blu-ray player, really nice, low mileage Cadillac Escalade. Garage kept, theft recovery, 29,000 miles. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.